In previous video, we have learnt the identities how to factorize a polynomial of the form a cube plus b cube, that is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab, and how to factorize a polynomial in the form a cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So next identity for today's topic: if a polynomial in the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, its factors are a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So how to factorize a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. If a plus b plus c is 0, it means right hand side will become 0 and a cube plus b cube plus c cube will equal to 3abc. So these are the formulas to be applied for today's questions. Now I take question number 11 from exercise 2.5. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. First you look at the form. It is in the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It is 3x whole cube plus y whole cube plus z whole cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z. Now applying the identities, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. It becomes 3x plus y plus z, that is a plus b plus c, into a square 9x square plus y square plus z square minus ab 3x into y minus bc y into z minus ca 3x into z. So if you know the formula and you are able to identify which formula will be applied here, then questions are not difficult. First you will try to identify the form of the question, which formula should be used here. Next question: prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. If I start from right hand side, half into x plus y plus z, open the whole square, x minus y whole square will be x square plus y square minus 2xy plus y square plus z square minus 2yz plus z square plus x square minus 2zx. Half x plus y plus z, then adding the inside bracket terms 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Now taking 2 common, half into x plus y plus z, 2 common, left inside x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. It is again in the form x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, that is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So right hand side is equal to left hand side. In this way we can prove it. Now some more questions. Evaluate without calculating the cubes. Now we will not calculate the cube, we will use some formula. How to evaluate 28 whole cube plus minus 15 whole cube plus minus 13 whole cube. It is in the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube, where a is 28, b is minus 15 and c is minus 13. So we will check a plus b plus c. A 28, b minus 15 and c minus 13. A plus b plus c becomes 0. When a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, because right hand side will become 0. Now, which formula will be used? If a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So 28 cube plus minus 15 whole cube plus minus 13 whole cube will be equal to 3 into a 28, b minus 15 and c minus 13. When we multiply them, it becomes 16,380, which is the required answer. So in this question, we have not taken the cubes. We have used the formula. If a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Right? I hope you have understood it. Next, now last question. Find length and breadth if area is given as. Now what is the area? 25a square minus 35a plus 12. If you look at, it is a quadratic polynomial which is to be factorized by splitting the middle term. Sum of two terms should be minus 35 and product should be 25 into 12. Earlier we have discussed how to factorize a polynomial by splitting the middle term. So we will use same. So how to split the middle term? Minus 20a and minus 15a. Minus 20 and minus 15 will become minus 35 and minus 20 into minus 15's product will be 300. So what are the factors? 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 4. So length can be 5a minus 3 and breadth can be 5a minus 4. If we factorize a quadratic polynomial, there will be two factors. One can be taken as length and other can be taken as breadth. Last question now. Find the dimensions of the cuboid if volume is given. All of you know that volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. So what is the given polynomial? 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. First you will take the common one. 4k common. Left inside 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Again it is a quadratic polynomial which will be factorized by splitting the middle term, whose sum is 2 and product is minus 15. So how to factorize 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. 4k will remain common. And what will be the factors? Y minus 1 into 3y plus 5. Now we have three factors, 4k into y minus 1 into 3y plus 5. Length can be 4k, breadth can be y minus 1 and height can be 3y plus 5. So by factorizing a polynomial, we can find length, breadth and height. So this is the last topic, and for home assignment, you will try to complete exercise 2.5. Thank you.